Hi, so today we'll be showing you how I created this simple content repurposing automation. And the goal here is to create an automation through Zapier where we will have a Google Drive folder where we should upload a video and it will automatically transcribe that video, and that transcribed content will be repurposed to a blog post that will be posted on different social media platforms. So before I break down the steps on the content repurposing automation on Zapier, let's try it first on how it works so you can visually understand what's happening here in our automation. So let's go here on my drive. I created a podcast folder. Let's go back to the client's requirements. Actually, this is one of the test projects that has been given to me. And the client is asking to create a Google Drive folder. And whenever a new video is added on a folder, automation will trigger and automatically transcribe the content. And then the transcribed content should be immediately repurposed to two blog posts with titles. So we will use um, ChatGPT, OpenAI, or Gemini for these kinds of transcriptions. And then we'll post the blog contents on the social media platforms with images. And then we will use a filter. Probably we'll use a filter on the file types that the automation should only accept. Like for example, we will only accept MP4 videos and reject MP3s, Excel, and Docs file. Uh, and then optional include path somewhere in the automation. So this is also a um, conditional statement. So we could also add these on the automation. So let's try out the automation. We have created a podcast folder, and it says on our automation that whenever we add a video, the automation should trigger and transcribe the video and create contents for it. So let's wait until uh, the automation finishes, and then let's go from there. Okay, so let's get back to the automation. Um, as you can see here on our Zap history, the Zap has been successfully executed. So we expect that a new post will be posted on um, Facebook and WordPress as long as the condition has been met on our paths. So upon checking here on our post tab, yes, it has successfully posted the blog post transcribed from the video that we have.
What's the millionaire morning routine? A lot of
Millionaire morning routine from Alex Hormozy. Morning routine. So it's the correct content as well. And we now have a blog post from that video. And then let's also check if Facebook has created the post as well. And yes, published by Zapier, no nonsense millionaire morning routine that posts productivity. So it's also the same video. So we can confirm that the our Zapier automation has successfully transcribed the video and posted the blog contents on our social media platforms. So now, let's break down the automations that we have created in Zapier. So first, of course, we need a trigger. So the trigger is to make sure that we have a new content on the file folder that we have created. So based on the setup, we have a new file and folder, and then it is routed in the podcast folder. And then the filter condition, what we have set is that the file extension uploaded should always contain an MP4 file extension. So it should only accept MP4s. And whenever, if ever we uploaded MP3s, XLs, and DOX files, it will not be accepted and the automation will not proceed. And then for the first prompt builder, this is where we will use ChatGPT or Gemini. In this case, we will use the AI provided by Zapier, since we do not have enough API tokens for ChatGPT and Gemini. So we're lucky that Zapier is providing free AI access to use, so we could have an output to our prompts. So here we ask the Zapier AI to extract or to create a transcription using the file content from the video. And here's the previewed output. And from there, we created another step using the GPT to create a blog title. So here's the output. And then another step to create another blog title number 2, and then the blog post. So this is the prompt where we ask GPT to use the blog title that we have generated previously, and then create a content using the transcribed video, and then another blog post. And we have also included paths here. So paths are basically conditional statements where we required the automation to check. Like for example, we need to check if the title contains some words that we allow or not. So for this case, to make it easier for us, um, I only required the automation to check the output if it contains the word you, and it will post on Facebook. If the output does not contain any you, any text that contains you, it will not post on Facebook. Same thing with this condition. If the output contains two, it will post on WordPress. And if the output does not contain a to text, then it will not post on WordPress. So this is a simple um, content repurposing automation. Of course, you can also put Instagram. You can use Instagram. There you go. Instagram, you can use LinkedIn. So any social media platform that you think of, I think you can use it here on Zapier, or as long as the Zapier supports that social media platform, you can post it or automatically post it there. So, and then of course, you can also generate images from ChatGPT. So if you need an image for your page post, you can also create those on your GPT. In our case, we do not have the premium access for GPT, or we do not have enough tokens for GPT, so we cannot create the images, but it's possible if you have um, the paid access for GPT. So yeah, I think that's it. Uh, Thank you for watching, and see you on our next video.